Alright, just to show how I pass the power cable. That's connected. Kind of double-sided here. There you go. I put it through the fender. It doesn't have any holes or anything, but as you can see here, that's dirty. To the side. Let me show you. See if you can see it there. See here, this is just rubber here, and the cable goes in right there. That's the fender. Comes in through here. Up. This is just rubber. Hasn't hurt the cable at all. See if you can see it. And the cable, that's the hole there. Seems to be fine. And then it's in already. Just to the side. No big thing. Mosquitoes. Right.